here we're given the equation 12 to the x power is equal to negative 24, and we're going to see what kind of solution does this have. Well, this is an exponential equation, and you see that's equal to negative number. The answer to this right here is it has no solutions. Yeah, that's it. So let me remind you guys this right here on the side, okay? When we have b to the x power, if this is equal to a negative number, or when we have b to the x power, if this is equal to 0, guess what? This two has no solutions. Yeah, that's exactly what we use over here. And if you would like, I will show you guys how you can possibly solve this, and we'll see the kind of trouble that we get. Right here, when we have 12 to the x power, if this is equal to negative 24, if you want to solve this, then we will just do log base 12 on both sides, right? You want to match the base right here and also the base of the exponential. So go ahead and just do log base 12 on both sides like this, right? This and that cancel, but the problem is that we cannot have a negative number inside the logarithm. No good, right? So again, no solution, right? So you see that's the trouble. So let me just put this down, and that's it.